JJ.A.C Tech Channel. HIKVISION, how to install a hard drive on a HIKVISION DVR, simple as 5 minutes. HIKVISION is committed to serving various industries through its cutting-edge technologies of machine perception, artificial intelligence, and big data, leading the future of AIoT. Through comprehensive machine perception technologies, we aim to help people better connect with the world around them. With a wealth of intelligent products, we strive to identify and satisfy diverse demands by delivering intelligence at your fingertips. And through innovative AIoT applications, we are dedicated to empowering every individual to enjoy a better future by building an intelligent world that is more convenient, efficient, and secure. Featuring an extensive and highly skilled R&D workforce, HIKVISION manufactures a full suite of comprehensive products and solutions for a broad range of vertical markets. In addition to the security industry, HIKVISION extends its reach to the smart home tech, industrial automation, and automotive electronics industries to achieve its long-term vision. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.